Each Grace Chapel campus and venue has its own ProPresenter library, and that means that when you add new songs or you make changes, they're only updated in your library, and that's what we want most of the time. But there are a couple of files that we like to share across campuses because usually they're the same at each campus each week. The two most common are our bumper video and the sermon slides or the message. Most of the time those are going to be the same at all the campuses, and so we had to come up with an easy way to be able to keep the bulk of your library separate while at the same time allowing us to share the files that we do want to share. And so the system I came up with is each week I load these common files into a Dropbox folder, and you've got a button on each of your campus Macs that is called ProPresenter Sync, and it automatically grabs all of those files and updates it for you. Let me show you how it works. As you can see here, I have an old version. When I click on the message, I have an old version of the sermon slides. This is from our series on the 7 Deadly Sins from a couple of months ago. All I have to do is click the ProPresenter Sync button, which is on the dock here. It's the orange and blue arrows, and we'll watch what happens. ProPresenter is going to shut down. If I had unsaved changes, it would have asked me first. And now it's updating the files in the background automatically, and in a few seconds, there it goes, it's going to reopen ProPresenter, and I'll have my updated sermon slides. I should see the Jeopardy slides from last week. So let's scroll down to the message. And there we go. I now have the most up-to-date sermon slides. That's it. ProPresenter Sync. The best time to use this is Sunday morning because typically I'm updating things right up until about 6:30 or 7 a.m. on Sunday morning. So by the time you come in for your rehearsal, one of the first things you want to do is click your ProPresenter Sync. That's it.